Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to make a smartphone or Android control robot connected via Bluetooth. The requirements are Arduino Nano, Bluetooth module HC05, motor driver L293D, then motors, chassis and wheels. Let's we do. This is a Arduino Nano. Then this is the Bluetooth module HC05. Then this is the motor driver. Let's we do. Okay. Just assemble the chassis with the motors. These are the two motors, geared motor. Assemble it like this way. Make the motor in the opposite direction, and then assemble the wheels to the motor. Let me see about the motor driver L293D. It has 4 MOSFETs which are connected to the inputs S1 and S2, and S1 bar and S2 bar, etc. The 4 MOSFETs are this: S1, S1 bar, S2, S2 bar. Then the motor is connected in this way. Okay. Now let me see the logic between the S1, S2 and the direction. Suppose S1 and S2 have the value of 0, then the second MOSFET and the third MOSFET will be on. There is no current between them. If 1, 0, the current flow is in this direction, the motor runs this direction. If input reversed, the motor direction will be reversed. If both the inputs are 1, that also no current flow, so the motor does not run. This is the motor driver. Here's the connection. Let me connect. Let me connect the motors to the motor output. Let the coding begins. The right one input. The right wheel has 2 input, 1 and 2, 2 and 3 pins. Left has 4 and 5. The light is connected to 6 and 7. All the pins are declared to output. There is no input pin, so then make the 9th pin and the 8th pin low, which is used as a ground for the LED, and then void loop. Let declare a character A, which is going to get from the user via serial.read. If is equal to F, then the serial, if the serial read is equal to F, then the motor will be going to forward run, and if is B, then backward, and L for left turn, and R for right turn. The logic is as we previously discussed. If the A is equal to S, then it's going to stop. Then if A is equal to W, capital W, the light on, and small w, the light will off. That's the code finished. Let is uploaded to the Arduino Nano. I already uploaded, so I am going to connect it via the jumpers. As per the code, we have to connect the motor driver, here's the connection. Let me connect the Bluetooth module. In Bluetooth module, the RX is connected to the TX of Arduino Nano, and TX is connected to the RX of the Arduino Nano, which makes a serial communication between the Bluetooth and the Arduino. Let's connect the LED. The LED connection goes like this. Then you have to fix the LED in the chassis. Yeah, the connections are going to finish. I fixed the LED into the front channel via jumpers. Let we connect the batteries to turn on the Nano, and we have to connect a 9-volt battery into the motor driver. There's a separate battery is connected for the here. You can choose a right place to hold the batteries. Just download the app Arduino Bluetooth Core and connect your Bluetooth. Let's enjoy. Here in my case it's worked very beautifully. The range is approximately 4 to 5 meters only, but it's very nice to play. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to make the instant notification